What's up guys, I'm Io from Best Buy, and today we're going to show you how to capture a fantastic family portrait using flash. I love taking family portraits. There's something that everyone in the family can enjoy and that become a part of our memories forever. So I'm super excited to be here in San Diego with an amazing portrait photographer, Sarah France.
Hi.
First, let's take a second to talk about the gear that we're using today. Okay, so for this shoot, we're using a mirrorless camera and a fast standard lens. We've got the Fujifilm X-T30 paired with a 35mm f2 lens. Now, the X-T30 is a phenomenal camera that brings great image quality, speed, and features into a small but powerful package. So check the links below this video for lenses that we recommend for each camera system.
Okay, before we get the family up here, the first thing that we're gonna do is set up our camera. Because we can set up our camera before they even get here because we're in a controlled environment. So the first thing is set your camera to manual mode. Secondly, we're gonna set the aperture settings to 5.6 to f8, somewhere in that range. We wanna make sure that the family is all in focus, and there's 4 of them. And next we wanna do the shutter speed. The shutter speed should be around 1/200th of a second. That's slow enough for these to sync and also fast enough so that we won't get any sort of motion from the family. And then last is your ISO. Now ISO you can get a little bit creative with. Depending on your background, you can set the ISO differently. We're gonna set that around ISO 800 today because that'll be the perfect setting for this background.
All right, so today we're using this all-in-one flash kit. It includes 2 flash units, a softbox, 2 umbrellas that act as modifiers, stands, and a trigger that all fires from the camera.
So the first thing that we want to do is set up these strobe lights. I'm going to have you take a quick test shot, and then we're going to see if we need to adjust them, just to kind of see how the couch is lit. Let's see. Okay, it's a little bit hot on this side, so I'm just going to move this one back just a tad. All right, now we're all set with the lights, so I think we can bring in our family. All right, you guys, come on in, squeeze in together. Good. Oh, I love that.
Let's see it. Perfect.
Oh, good. You guys look right at Io for one. Oh, good.
So cute, everybody. So cute.
And then one way I love to get people interacting is really to get the kids to like interact with the parents. So you guys look at mom and dad and give them a really big smile and tell them how much you love them. Oh, that is so sweet. And tickles. Everybody tickle fight. Tickle fight. Go, 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 go. Get each other. Go, go.
Fun, silly photos like this always are the best to have in your house.
Yeah, they love the interaction. That's perfect. Oh, let me just back that down, smooth it out. All right. Oh, that looks great.
Yeah.
Good job.
You guys are gonna love it. It looks awesome.
It's perfect.
There you have it, some great tips on how off-camera flash can help you create perfect family portraits. And remember, think about the flash positioning and vary your poses. And thanks to Sarah for all the great tips. For more photo tips and tricks tutorials, check out the Best Buy YouTube channel or stop into one of our camera experience shops to take an in-person workshop or to just check out the latest and greatest gear. And to find a camera experience shop near you or to learn about the gear you saw here today, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.